We are very ready for the match. So far everybody is prepared for the match. It's a tough one. We respect them. They should respect us and let the game decide who's gonna be the winner.
Mnaenda kucheza mchezo ambao mkishinda mnakuwa mabingwa. Unadhani utakuwa ni mchezo mgumu kiasi gani?
Mechi sio rahisi, ni ngumu. And we are ready because Tausi right now they are performing so well. So also us, we are ready for the task ahead because we know the match is not gonna be easy, but we are ready. When you are a winner or when you want to be a champion, you must pass every task ahead. Not everything will come easy, and it has never been easy, and it's never easy, but we are so ready for the tough one. For the league, I can say it hasn't been easy and it hasn't been tough, but we say thank you to our technical bench, to each and every player. We've pushed so well so far, and we are grateful for our fans. They always support us and the entire Simba. Kila mechi imekuwa ngumu. Hakuja kuwa na mechi rahisi. So mechi zote zimekuwa ngumu. To our fans, I'm calling you, it's a humble request. Come support us. Let's be champions as one, as you've always supported us since day one. You're all welcome. The match is going to be at 4 p.m. You're all welcome.